Late night edition of Sour John's, 2 in 1 day today. Really excited. Wanted to share this new product, and I really want to say new because, you know, the one we had done before, I went back to the drawing board, went back to scratch, went back to recipe, and really built it back up, and I'm so much happier. So right now we have some half sours. These are coming off about 7-8 days. And as you can see, lots of pulp, crispness. These are the Korean hot sour. And boy, turmeric and hot chili powder, garlic, a little bit of dill. The crunch is back, baby. Crunch is back. So I'm gonna play around with these. You know, the last time around, we had done spears in our brine, and spears didn't hold up as well as we would have wanted them to. So now, with our new and improved brine, you know, and we're pulling a half sour, not all of them. Matter of fact, I only pulled about 8 out of the horseradish dill, about 9 out of the real deal Thai, and only about 4 out of the Korean hot sour. But great crisp, great salt content. I mean, they're right there. And these are still warm out of the ferment. So I'm psyched for these to be cold. Try them tomorrow. I have them all over again. This one is the real deal Thai. This has our lemongrass, Thai basil, red and green Thai chilies, and garlic. And so well rounded. So nice and spicy, so flavorful, and they're great sour. We're getting great sours in about 8 days for these half sours. I'll tell you right now. I've got as long as 19 days, and boy, those are real pucker uppers. So remember, with the new Proof Sour Johns, if you've gotten any of my original product and want to try the new product, you get a free jar on me, as long as you've been a participant in Sour Johns before. Love to try get you a new jar out, and you can try them. But boy, I tell you, after 8 days, I don't think you can much better than this. I'll tell you that right now. Sour John, signing off. Have a good night. Eat your